Okay, so this year Poco has been releasing phones left and right. And now we have the gaming version of the Poco X3 series, the Poco X3 GT. You're watching the laser viewers, and this is the unboxing of the Poco X3 GT. First, let's take a look at what's on the outside of the box, and then we'll get unboxing. First up on the front, we have Poco branding with the title X3 GT, 5G connectivity. On the left, we have the same logo, on the right as well. On the bottom side, we have some of the specs. We have the color of the phone, which is cloudy white, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Okay, now let's get unboxing. Taking the top cover off, we're greeted with another box. This one has our SIM ejector tool, some Poco stickers, some paperwork, and our clear case. Let's take a look at the case first. What is this? Okay, so it does have some texture on the inside, very grippy, and no headphone jack, I guess. Under that we have our phone. Let's put it to the side for now and let's see what's underneath. We have our 67-watt fast charger. And our USB Type-C cable. It has orange connectors on its end like most of other Poco phones do. Okay, now let's set up the phone and see what we're working with. Okay, so this is the back color we're working with. It is the cloudy white. It's pretty blue, but it does reflect to white and sometimes even a pinkish tone. Let's turn the phone on and set it up. Now the phone is completely set up and we can see that the phone doesn't exactly feel anything premium. It is a budget phone and it does feel like it. There are a few things missing, like an aluminum frame and a headphone jack. And in a gaming phone, I think that a headphone jack is supposed to be a must. They do give you this small packet which has a adapter for the Type-C to the 3.5mm headphone jack, but I guess you can either charge your phone or play games while listening to the audio with the headphone jack. The charging speed is pretty great, 67 watts is fantastic. They do give you a case, so that's a plus. Other than that, I do like this camera design. It's pretty boxy and minimal. Everything except this camera bump is not minimal. The back texture is really weird and cheap feeling, but it is a plastic back, so you won't be getting any scratches or dents in it. That's pretty good. Other than that, it has stereo speakers and microphone on top and bottom. Other than that, the phone is pretty fantastic. The front has a Gorilla Glass Victus and it is 120 Hz of variable refresh rate. And it has a pretty small punch hole camera, so that's pretty good. Other than that, the processor is the Dimensity 1100. We do have a couple of devices in the similar price range with Snapdragon processors, so we'll be doing a comparison video between this, the Poco F3 and the Mi 10T 5G. I guess this phone is really cheap feeling. I wouldn't buy this for the price it comes. There's a lot of better products and phones out there for the same price. Other than that, we will have a camera review and a detailed gaming review of this phone. So look forward to that, and that's all we have for you today. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more to the point unboxings, reviews and much more.